Like for me, I'm already on this trade from this place, okay, this angle. So waiting for this to break. Of course, this one must break. I am not a prophet, but I am experienced. This guy must break. So if you are more of a conservative trader, just wait for that to happen. Okay, then we must get a pullback like this. Okay, the something is, sometimes some people choose to trade a breakout. It's all about the mindset. Go and listen to the mindset video, then take it to this point. Okay, go and listen to the mindset video and see what, you don't have to be afraid taking a trade from here. Okay, I will show you some entry method, how to actually manage. Now from here to here alone, this is over 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips is good. So if you are trading one standard lot, this is over $1,400. Okay, right? So what if it breaks this one and then goes up to this? This is 300. This is over $4,000 if you are using a standard lot. I mean, this thing is so simple. This is so simple. Okay, do you see this? Do you see how simple it is? So you can be entering from 4 hours, or you can even go further. Okay, let's go to H1. Let's go to the H1 and see another magic. There's a magic here. Okay. So are you seeing it? I think H1 is also still the same thing as H4, looking good. So there is an inner one, there's an inner trend line in the H1. Okay, there's an inner trend line in the H1, such that if we are going to have a pullback from this level, because this level is not a level to play with, we have various touches here. Are you seeing it? We have various areas in which price has touched here. So it is possible that price wants to do this. All right, let's delete this one so we don't confuse ourselves. So it's possible that price wants to do this before doing this. Are you understanding? Before doing this. Let me use this guy. Suppose that price want to do this before doing this. This. And then take us to the permanent side. Are you getting this? So maybe I will teach how to actually enter this trade after this video. So I'll just keep this drawing on. I don't want to delete this. I will come back to this again, but let's look at another example of a top-down analysis. Let's look at another example of, let's look at another pair, or an example, another pair. But this drawing, I'm going to leave this drawing, and then the next one I'm going to analyze, the other pair I'm going to analyze, I'm still going to leave the drawing there, so that I will now teach on how to enter these trades. Okay, so including the drawdowns, how to manage the drawdown, so you really make profit out of this. Like I said, I don't use stop loss. Me, I don't use it. So I want to show you how. Now you can't see this and tell me this one will go wrong. This trade cannot go wrong. If it will go wrong, this is the highest it will go. You see what I'm doing here? If it will go wrong, see the drawdown here. $58 pips. Bro, I can hold this. I can hold 50 pips drawdown. Bro, I can hold it. Alright? But I will show you, this is not where I enter. So this 50 something is too large, okay? So I want to leave this drawing on. When I come back and then we go to the 15 minute, the 5 minute, then you will see that this particular 52 is too big. Okay, this is not where I enter the trade and manage my drawdown. But I'll still use 1 hour to show you, so that when we get to 15 minutes, it will not be difficult for you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. It is so simple, just because you are learning it now. That is why it seems as if it is hard. There's nothing here. Or maybe let's just complete it. Let's just complete it and then go to the next example and just finish it. Okay, if you want to enter this trade, there are ways I look at entries. There are ways I look at it. To avoid missing out. So as a trader, FOMO is good and FOMO is bad. Right? So let's take, for example, that the trade has moved to this point. You see this place where there's going to be a breakout before the trade come back to it. You see this place? When I want to take this trade here, I will enter. This color is not changing. I don't know why this thing is just doing like this. So I will enter one of my position here. This is entry 1. I will enter here. Then as the trade is drawing me down, because this is a place, price can actually break out. I enter the trade here. What if it breaks out? I should be in profit, right? What if I lose? It should come here. See another level of support and resistance here. When the trade come here, I will enter another position. So this is position 1, this is position 2, right? Then I now see that it keeps going down, going down. The last place the trade can get to is here. So if trade comes to this place, this is where we enter all my position. This is where we enter all my position. But if the trade breaks here, we close it out. I don't need to put my stop loss so that they will see it. If trade crosses this one, I will close it out. Okay? But that does not mean I am afraid to still enter. If the trade comes down and close and breaks this side, I know that there is another trend line here. So I have not gone into trend line now. I'm just showing you, but I'll still teach trend line. So that I see the market here, bro, even if I had made losses from all this one, I will still enter this trade because I'm fearless. That is me for you. I will ride this thing back here. I will max out so well because this thing will keep doing this. We keep breaking structure and breaking structure and breaking structure like that. And I'll keep adding position and maxing out. Are you getting what I'm saying? That is basically how I look at the market. Hope you get it. Let's check 15 minutes. Let's look at 15 minutes and see